Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to increase your image size in KB without changing pixel or resolution. Select choose files. Upload the image that you like. You can upload up to 50 images. As you can see, I am uploading an image size of 13 KB. Target size in KB. Enter the KB size that you require. I am entering 50 KB. You can select the format as JPEG, JPG, PNG and click increase image size. After clicking the increase image size button, you can see the downloadable button. You can select that and save. Now you can see the image size as 50 KB. By clicking properties, you can see the size of an image. Let's preview the image. You can see both the image looks exactly the same with no change in resolution or pixels. That's it guys. Hope you find this video useful. If you have any doubt, do comment it. I'm linking the website link in the comment section and description too, or else you can visit imagesizeincreaser.com. Thanks guys. Bye.